Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen, doing a little different video today. I'm in my yard, sitting in my front yard at home, and I figured I'd do a quick video real quick. Don't mind me, I'm looking away, there's traffic driving by, I'm on a city street. The front of my yard, or there's my yard, here's my face. So I just want to give you guys a quick tip today. I'm going to be doing a lot of these. So first thing I'm going to talk about is leasing a car. These are little short tips, so there's going to be a series of them, so I'm not going to go into full detail on this one, so I just want to set you guys up, know what to expect. So on leasing, the time we're in right now, it's currently 2024. It's about to be September. It's almost the end of August. It's August 22nd. So we're starting to see people who have grown impatient with their COVID cars. What I mean by impatient is they're not seeing the loan through. They're actually wanting out of these cars. They're trying to trade out. And what you're seeing now, and we're seeing a lot of, is a lot of people who are upside down in their cars, and we're talking thousands of dollars upside down because they paid whatever they had to pay to buy a car during COVID, and now those cars aren't holding that value. The values have come back to reality and actually probably gone a little less than reality. But leasing a car is, if it's possible, is a great option for you at this point in time, because leasing, what it does is you lease a car for 36 months and it resets your inequity to zero. So yes, they're going to heap that inequity onto your lease. You're probably going to have a high payment, a payment that you're not going to like, but it's a payment to get you right. It's like the medicine you need to take to get you right and to get you not sick. Cough syrup never tastes good, but man, if you have the option to lease a car to get you set to zero, do it. And this is probably going to go counter what a lot of people say, but I'm in the car business. I've been in the car business almost 12 years, and I'm seeing this a lot. So what happens is the inequity in your car, let's say you're upside down $7 grand or $8 grand. You buy yourself or you lease an Atlas with the discounts that are out there and the incentives that are currently in play. There's a $3,500 incentive that is on a buy. That doesn't quite add up to $7 grand, so you're still carrying $3,500 in equity over. Leasing doesn't apply for that cash discount, but you can still take your inequity, keep it onto your payment. Your sales tax is included in your payment. Gap insurance is included in that payment, so you don't have to have gap insurance outside of that and under separate policy. Your sales tax is already included in your monthly payment, so you're not going to your DMV and paying that. The only thing you're on the hook for is personal property tax. If you live in Missouri, I can't speak for every state, but Missouri has personal property tax. So Volkswagen, if you lease a car, will pay that on your behalf, and you turn around and pay Volkswagen. So you're billed by Volkswagen. So that's an option too. So what this does is this takes your inequity, and when you go to turn that car in, you can still do black wheels, you can still tint windows, you can still have pinstripes, whatever you want on a car. Just nothing crazy like a big old spoiler on the back or something like that. So when you lease that car, you can still drive it as your own, you carry full coverage insurance, but at that 36 months when it comes turn-in time, your money owed is zero. So at that point, you can go get that car you really want, or you can buy out the lease at the end of the lease. You'll know what you can buy that car for at the time you sign up. The residual is the amount that you can buy that car for. So that's a way to do it. That's a way to get around this crazy time that we're in right now. The car market is really in a flux right now. It's just really trying to reset and get its bearing. COVID was a real deal that really wrecked the market. So I hope this tip has helped you. If you have any questions at all, leave them down below in the comments. I will make more of these, and I'll be a little more direct and not rambling. So for now, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, have a great night. Thanks for watching.